Mavalus tape is the tape with sticktivity. It's the ultimate adhesive mounting solution. Put away your nails, tacks, putties, and waxes. Mavalus tape's patented formula combines super strength with clean removal that won't damage walls. Let me show you how it works. We have this foam core bulletin board sample that we use as decoration in our store. We stick this to the wall using Mavalus tape. You can see it's available in 4 different colors, and we've rolled it up, stuck it to the back, and it sticks to the wall. To apply it, I just hold the sign up, push all the way around, and that's it. And that's stuck to the wall, and we've had that hanging up for months now. Let me show you the best way we figured out how to roll this. I pull off a section of it, fold it in half with the sticky side out, and then spin the roll around on it. You end up with a tube of sticky tape that you stick to the back of your item and stick to your surface, and it'll pretty much hold anything on the wall without damaging your walls or damaging the item. Sticks where traditional adhesives fail. On glass, brick, cinder block, plaster, drywall, tile, it sticks anywhere.